Hello and welcome to AliTech. In this video, I'm just going to show you a part 2 to my first overview video, seeing as afterwards I realized I forgot to leave, or I left some stuff out from the first video, so I just want to show you some more stuff for the overview of Outlook itself. So besides showing this main page with when you come in to Outlook itself, you'll be on your inbox and you'll see all your messages. But other than that, on this basic page, there's actually tabs down here, such as this one, which is the calendar. When you click on this will take you to a basic calendar that you can edit any events and treat it like as if you had a calendar on your wall that you wrote when you had a doctor's appointment or anything like that. You could use that calendar for this type of scenario, or you can use it mainly since Outlook is mainly used for school. You can put in when you have a test, when you have a quiz coming up, anything like that, when you have a study session, something that will help you keep a productive schedule throughout the school year. Down here, the people symbol, that is actually a way to access any of the contacts that are in your school's districts on Microsoft 365. So if you scroll down here, you can see that you can look at all faculty, all students. If you ever need to find something like an email for a teacher, you can go down, look at the faculty, click on that teacher's name, and it'll show you their email. In case you needed to figure out how to contact them and you didn't know, you can easily just use that as a reference to find out their email if they posted there, which they should. Other than that, you just can look at any other contacts you have on Microsoft 365, any people you have classes with, and it's just a easier way to find the information on the people that you need to find information on. The next one is this clip right here. This will take you to an overview of all your files or all your attachments you've ever put on an email. So rather than going into each individual email, you can just go here and look at every single one that you've ever attached to anything. It's also sorted by folders, so you can look at what's been from the inbox, on drafts, sent items. You can pretty much narrow it down by which ones you've put attachments on in general. The last one is a to-do list. This one is just like if you had something you need to remember things throughout the day, like, oh, I have to do this at 5 o'clock, oh, I have to do this now. This is what you can use that for, but create it more of something like to do homework, or you can add a task saying you have to go walk the dog. You can make it, I would suggest making it school related since this is a school account. Otherwise, just basically using it for any reminders to remind yourself that you have a study session, whether you have something on your calendar, anything in that type of such. That's pretty much it for this overview. This is pretty much all the stuff that I missed. So other than that, thank you for watching. Go check out my other videos for any more simpler tasks you need throughout the school year.